The initial motivation was to create a recreational facility for all the new residents that were moving into the area. We looked around for several years for an opportunity for a recreational site for a community park, and lo and behold, about 5 years ago, the Little Creek Golf Course became available for sale. The board bought it with the intention of developing a community park. The area where I'm standing was the front nine of the previous golf course, with a stream running through it. The stream was pretty well straight with a 3 to 5 foot exposed bank that was eroding seriously every time it rained, and the golf course had mowed right to the top of the bank of that stream. When we looked at the creek going through the property, how could we make the creek more beneficial as far as the environment concerned and make it more attractive to the community to come to the park? Took a little bit of ingenuity, but we thought, well, maybe since we have these requirements for stormwater management and reducing pollutants to the Chesapeake Bay, we can incorporate both projects into one. So we applied for grant money from Department of Environmental Protection, and were successful in getting some that started the project on its way. We talked to the township engineers at C.S. Davidson. They partnered with a firm called Land Studies out of Lancaster County, and they came up with a potential project that would eliminate the flooding potential and reduce significantly the erosion of the stream. We applied for a Growing Greener grant for construction of the project. That money came through about a little over a year and a half ago. The project had already been designed and permitted, so we went to construction about a year ago at this time. So a year ago, this stream looked nothing whatsoever like you see now. In virtually 1 year's time, the floodplain was restored to its original cross-section. They created a meandering stream with a wetlands area near the outfall. All of the plants that you see in the stream area, trees and whatever, have all grown up in simply 1 year's time. All of the legacy sediment that was removed from the floodplain restoration area was used on site to create a base for the ball fields and park facilities that would be developed in the future. In addition to the sediment removal, all of the plants were basically designed to be natural to the area. All of the plantings serve to filter out the nitrogen and phosphate that's coming off the property, as well as wetlands created more opportunities for infiltration of the water into the water table. Once the stream project was essentially completed last year, we went ahead with actually working on the creation of the community park itself. We hope to include some educational boards. It'll create the opportunity for environmental education for the local Spring Grove School District, but we're not done yet. We've applied to the York County Stormwater Consortium for design and permitting money to do phase 2 of the stream restoration, which will be just upstream from the phase 1 that we are looking at here. So going forward for phase 2, the more grant money we can have and the more collaboration we get between multiple agencies and local municipalities, the better off we'll all be.